We learned about the name and the style of domestic animals with the bull and bull pig. This is a goat. Our goat is grazing grass. This is a sheep. A sheep is eating grass with its friend. This is a rooster. The rooster wakes us up every morning. This is a pig. Pigs are playing happily on the farm. This is a duck. These ducks are swimming together. This is a cat. A cat is playing with rope. This is a goose. The goose is flying. This is a cow. Cows are grazing grass. This is a rabbit. A rabbit has white fur, which is cute, isn't it? This is a dog. Dog is a close friend of human. This is a hen. Hen provide us eggs, which have much nutrition. Hi everybody. Today, we will learn about the name and the style of domestic animals with the bull and bull pig.